Okay, good morning students. Now we will continue our last class, right? So here we will discuss the third example. Discuss the maxima or minima of function u is equal to x power 4 plus y power 4 minus 2x square plus 4xy minus 2y square. Okay, same procedure. Okay, now so first what is given? Solution given u is equal to x power 4 plus y power 4 minus 2x square plus 4xy minus 2y square. In step 1 we will find what? P, Q, R, S, T, right? That means P. What is P? Dou u by dou x. What is the derivative? 4x cube. This one is 0. This one is minus 4x and this one is 4y. Okay. In a similar way we can find Q. What is Q? Partial derivative with respect to y. This is 0, this is 4y cube and this one is plus 4x and this one is minus 4y. Okay, we got PQ, right? Next R. What is R? Dou square u by dou x square. So once again partial differentiate with respect to x means 12 x square minus 4. Okay, this is R. Next what about S? Dou square u by dou x dou y. So if I differentiate once again with respect to y, this one, you get what? 4. Okay, already with respect to x, now with respect to y. Similarly what about T? Dou square u by dou y square. What you will get? Once again differentiate with respect to y partially. This is 12 y square and minus 4. Okay, step 1 is completed, right? So we got P, Q, R, S, T, right? What is step 2? For maxima or minima, what we need to do? Dou u by dou x is equal to 0 and dou u by dou y is equal to 0. We have to solve these two equations, right? What is dou u by dou x 0? That implies 4x cube minus 4x plus 4y is equal to 0. First one. And what about the second one? Dou u by dou y means 4y cube plus 4x minus 4y is equal to 0. Okay. Here 4 is common, you can take it out, right? So what is left? X cube minus x plus y is equal to 0. This is the first equation. And what about this one? Y cube plus x minus y is equal to 0. Now we have just to add these two equations. That means you write here y cube plus x minus y. So if I add these two equations, what I will get? X cube, this is cancelled, plus minus, so plus y cube is equal to 0. Okay, x cube plus y cube equal to 0. This means a cube plus b cube formula. What is a cube plus b cube formula? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is equal to 0. Okay, now I can write this one as what? From this I can write x plus y is equal to 0 means what? X is equal to minus y. Okay, so now we will continue. See, we got x equal to minus y, right? But already we have x cube minus x plus y equal to 0. Now I will substitute x value in this equation. What you will get? Or else I will substitute here. X cube means minus y cube, right? Minus y whole cube means minus y cube, and x means plus, minus minus plus, this we will get y. So what you will get? So minus y cube plus 2y equal to 0, right? If I take y is outside common, what you are getting? 2 minus y square, right? So what are the y values? One y value is 0 another y value is what? Y square equal to 2 means what? Y is equal to plus or minus root 2. Therefore, the y values are 0, one is plus root 2, another one is minus root 2. Okay, sir. Now, what about corresponding x values? We already know that what x equal to minus y. So, that implies x value is what? 0 minus y, right? X value is minus y. That means minus root 2. Here minus root 2 will become plus root 2. Therefore, what are the stationary values we got? One is 0, 0. Therefore, stationary points are what are they? One is 0, 0. Another one is root 2 comma minus root 2, and another one is minus root 2 comma plus root 2. Okay. Now, at each of these points we have to verify whether the function is maxima or minima by our previous procedure, right? First, what I will do is, at every point I will find R, ST. First, what is R? First we will recall R. What is R? We already have, right? What is R value? 12x square. 12x square minus 4, right? What about S? What is S value? Is 4. What about T value? 12y square minus 4, right? Now what I will do is, at each point first I will find at 0 comma 0. So, at 0, 0, what is R value, sir? 0 means minus 4, S is 4, and T value is what? Minus 4. Okay. And therefore, I can say what I need to find? RT minus S square. What is RT, sir? Minus 4 into minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 4. Minus S square means 16. So, 16 minus 16, 0. So, by our procedure, working rule, if RT minus S square is 0, what we can say? Further investigation is required. That means we cannot conclude that it is a maximum or minima value at 0, 0. And the next point at root 2 comma, what is the next point? Root 2 minus root 2. Root 2 comma minus root 2. Now, at this point again I will find what about R value? Root 2 means, root 2 square means 2. 12 2 ja 24 minus 4. This is 20. S is 4. And what about T value? Again minus root 2. Minus root 2 whole square means again 2. 12 2 is 24 minus 4, 20. So, what about RT minus S square value? R is 20 into 20, 400. S square, 4 4 ja 16. So, 384, which is positive, right? And what about R value? Which is 20, again it is also positive. So, from working rule what we can say? RT minus S square is positive and R is positive at root 2 and minus root 2. Therefore, what I can conclude? F of x comma y has minimum. Ekkada? As minimum at root 2 comma minus root 2, and the minimum value is, చెప్పండి, just substitute x in x place what? Root 2, in y place is minus root 2. Just to calculate what is f of x comma y. First I will write here f of x comma y. What is our function, sir? X power 4 plus y power 4 plus minus 2x square, or else I will write neatly. First note down up to here. Okay, I will write this step later. First note down up to here. See, therefore f of x comma has minimum value at root 2 comma minus root 2, and the minimum value is f of root 2 comma. Now we will find the value by, since we know that f of x y equal to this function. So, just to substitute, in place of x is root 2, in place of y is minus root 2. So, what you are getting? root 2 whole power 4. Root 2 square means 2. 2 square means 4, right? Similarly, y power 4 means again positive 4. Now again minus 2 into x square. X is root 2, square means 2. And plus 4 into root 2 into minus root 2, that means minus 2. Minus 2 y square, again y square means what? Minus 2 root 2 whole square, that means 2. So total what you are getting? 4 plus 4 8, minus 4, this is minus 8, this is minus 4, right sir? So minus 8 plus 8 cancel, total value is 4. Therefore the minimum value of the function is what? How much? This value is minus 8. In a similar way, we have only found at 2 points. One more point is there. What is that point? At minus root 2 comma root 2. Again we need to find RST. What about R value? R means 12 into minus root 2 whole square means again 2. So 12 2 is 24, again 20. S is 4. Again T value. T value means root 2. Root 2 square means again 2. 12 2 is 24 minus 2, again same value you are getting. Therefore RT minus S square. How much you are getting? 384, which is positive, as well as R is also positive because 20, right? So therefore both are positive. Therefore what we can write? F of x comma y has minimum at where? Minus root 2 comma root 2, okay? And the minimum value you will get same, I think you just find minus root 2 comma root 2 is also minus 8. This one you have to verify, okay? So మనం 3 పాయింట్స్ దగ్గర వెరిఫై చేయడం జరిగింది. ఒకటి 0 0 దగ్గర ఏమైంది? ఫ్రమ్ వర్కింగ్ రూల్ ఏమైంది? ఇది ఈక్వల్ టు 0 కాబట్టి వీ కెనాట్ సే, దేర్ ఫర్ ఫర్దర్ ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ ఈజ్ రిక్వైర్డ్, ఓకే? వేర్ యాజ్ అట్ రూట్ 2 కమా మైనస్ రూట్ 2 ఏమైంది అయినా RT minus S square is positive and R is positive. Therefore minimum at root 2 comma minus root 2. And what about third point? Minus root 2 comma root 2 కూడా ఏమొచ్చింది? మినిమం వచ్చింది. అండ్ దిస్ వాల్యూ ఒకటి వెరిఫై చేయండి, నాకు తెలిసి సేమ్ వస్తుంది వన్స్ యూ వెరిఫై, ఓకే? నౌ వీ విల్ సీ ద నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. సో వీ స్టార్ట్ ద ఫోర్త్ ప్రాబ్లం. Show that minimum value of the function u is equal to xy plus a cube x plus a cube y, where a is positive, is 3a square, okay? Now start the solution. What is given, sir? Given, what is given? U is equal to xy plus a cube x plus a cube y, okay? This is given. Now in step 1 we need to find what? PQ RST. So what is P? Dou u by dou x is equal to y. Here 1 by x derivative is what? Minus 1 by x square. That means a cube x square. And what about Q value? Dou u by dou y. Here y means x 0. This one is what? Again 1 by y derivative cube by y square, right? What about RST? Or dou square u by dou x square. This one is 0. This one is what? Minus 2 by x cube. That means minus 2 plus 2. So 2 a cube by x cube. Or S. What about S? Dou square u by dou x dou y. So if I differentiate with respect to y means you are getting 1. Already with respect to x is there. So with respect to y means 1. Now what about t? Dou square u by dou y square. So y means 0. Here minus 2 means 2 a cube by y power 3. Right, sir? So PQRST step 1 is done. What about step 2? To find the maxima or minima, what we need to do? Make solve dou u by dou x equal to 0 and dou u by dou y is equal to 0. So what is dou u by dou x, sir? Tell me. Y minus a cube by x square 0, and here x minus a cube by y square which is equal to 0. Now cross multiply same అవుతుందండి. This is x square y is equal to a cube and here xy square this is equal to a cube. Okay sir, so both RHS are equal, so I can make LHS are equal. That implies x square y is equal to x y square. Okay, now what is taken out? Xy. If I take xy common, you get x minus y is equal to 0. So from this you are getting what? X 0, right, and y is 0, and the next one is x minus y equal to 0. That means x equal to y. Okay sir, now if x equal to 0, y equal to 0, right, so if I substitute here, where? Here. If I substitute both are 0 means a value we are getting 0, which is not possible because a is positive, right, which is not possible. So we have only one case. What is that case? If x equal to y. So if I substitute here x equal to y means what I will get? If I substitute in place of y, if I put x, that means what I will get? X cube equal to a cube, which implies x is equal to a, but already x equal to y means that, therefore y is also a. Therefore I got a stationary point is what? A comma a. Now I have to verify at this stationary point whether it is maxima or minima. Okay, first note down this one. So we already know that RST value. Now at what is our stationary point? A comma a. So at a comma a, what is our value? 2a cube by a cube, right? X means a, right? So that means you are getting 2. S is 1. What about t value? 2a cube by y cube. Y is also a, therefore 2. Therefore RT minus s square, that means 2 into 2 4 minus 1 which is 3, which is positive. And what about R value? R equal to, which is also positive. Therefore RT minus s square is positive. R is positive at where? A and a. So from working rule what we can say? Therefore f of x comma y has minimum where? At a comma a, and the minimum value is what? F of a. So what is the function? xy means what? A into a square. A cube by x. X is what? A. So again a square. And what about this one? A cube by y. Y is also a. Therefore a cube by a is a square. So finally we got 3a square is the minimum value at a comma a. This is the fourth problem. Now we will go to fifth problem. Now let us discuss the fifth problem. Discuss the maxima or minima of values of u. U is given by this one. Same procedure, start. Solution. What is given? Given u is equal to, multiply this one, x cube y square, x power 4 y square, next is what? Minus x cube y cube. Am I clear? Right? X cube y cube. Right. This is u. In step 1 we need to find PQRST. What is P? Dou u by dou x. 3x square y square. This one is 4x cube y square. This one is 3x square y cube. Right? This is P. What about Q? Dou u by dou y. So here 2x cube y. Here 2x power 4 y. Here minus 3x cube y square. Okay, these are PQ values. What about R value? Dou square u by dou x square. means again differentiate with respect to x means 6x y square, and this one is 12 x square y square, and here 6x y cube. This is r value, r s. What is s value? Dou x dou y. So if I differentiate with respect to y means what you are getting? 2y means 6 x square y, and the next one is minus 8 x cube y, right sir? And one more is there, no? So 9 x square y square, right sir? Right. This is PQRS. What about T? What about T? Dou square u by dou y square, 2x cube, and the next one is minus 2 x power 4, and next is y square is 2y, that means minus 6 x cube y. Okay, so we got PQRST. Step 1 is done. What is step 2, sir? For maxima or minima, what we need to do? Just solve the equation dou u by dou x equal to 0 and dou u by dou y is equal to 0. So what is dou u by dou x, sir? Dou u by dou x is 3 x square y square minus 4 x cube y square minus 3 x square y cube is equal to 0. And what about dou u by dou y 0? That is 2 x cube y minus 2 x power 4 y minus 3 x cube y square is equal to 0, right sir? Here what you can take out, x square y square is common, right? So if I take x square y square outside, what I am getting? 3 minus 4x here, sir, minus 3y. Am I clear? In a similar way, what is common here? X cube y, I think, right? X cube y is common. 2 minus already x cube y. So what is you are getting? 2x minus 3y is equal to 0, right sir? So from here x square 0 means x 0 y 0. So we are getting what? X is 0 1, y is 0 another, and from this what I am getting? 4x plus 3y is equal to 3 is 1, and here as x 0 y 0, one more is what? 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, right? Now if I solve these two, from these two what I am getting? Subtract minus minus minus, here 2x which is equal to 1, so that implies x equal to 1 by 2. X I am getting 1 by 2. If I substitute here 1 by 2 x value, 4 into 1 by 2 is 2, right? 4 into 1 by 2 plus 3y equal to 3. 3y is equal to 3. So 4 into 1 by 2. If you take 2 that side, 3 minus 2 is 1. Therefore y value is 1 by 3. Therefore we got x value is 0 0, and one more point is 1 by 2 1 by 3. First note down up to here. See, we got the stationary points are, what are the stationary points we got? Stationary points are, what are they? First one is 0 0, and the next one is 1 by 2 1 by 3, and the another one is 1 by 2 0 0 1 by 3, right? We got 4 stationary points. At each point we will verify whether it is maxima or minima. First at 0 0. At 0 0, what is r value? 0 0 0 0. S value 0 0 0 0. T is again 0, right? Therefore what you are getting? RT minus h square is 0. So further investigation is required. Investigation is required. That means we cannot conclude whether it is maximum or minimum at this point. And the next point is what? At 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Now what is 1 by 2, 1 by 3? Then what is R value? That means 6 into 1 by 2, here 1 by 3 square minus 12 into x square, that means 1 by 2 square, y square means 1 by 3 square minus 6 into x, that is 1 by 2, y cube 1 by 3 whole cube. This is R value. Next, what about S value? 6 into S square, that means 1 by 2 square 1 by 3, 8 into 1 by 2 cube into 1 by 3 minus 9 into 1 by 2 square 1 by 3 square, right? Next, R is T. T, what is T value? 2 into x cube means 1 by 2 cube. Next, minus 2 into 1 by 2 whole power 4 minus 6 x cube into 1 by 3. Now what are these values? I will write from notebook. So first R value is what? Minus 1 by 4. Next value is minus 1 by 12. Please do the calculation. And the next T value is minus 2 by 27. Now if you find RT minus S square, what you are getting? Which is positive, and we are getting R is negative. What is R already? Minus 1 by 4 negative. So this is positive, negative means what? We can conclude what? Therefore f of x comma y has maximum at where? At 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3, and the maximum value is f of 1 by 2 1 by 3. In a similar way you can discuss the remaining things. Please do the remaining things and send to my WhatsApp group. Okay. So I think you have understood the next problem. So we can close the, we will go to next method. Okay. Right.